Unscrew the two 8mm hex screws holding the tail lamp casing. Once the screws are out, gently wiggle and pull out the entire tail lamp. Turn anti-clockwise on the socket to remove it. Pull out the T15 halogen bulb and insert the new LED bulb. Make sure to check the light if you got the polarity correct. Finally, tightens the two screws once the light bulb is in order. There are 3 bulbs. The top is brake light, center is turn signal light, while the bottom is the reverse light. This is ultra bright pure white reverse LED light and this is the ultra bright amber turn signal LED light.